Be ready. Start. The Supreme Court has observed in the case of Dipali that reinstatement ordinarily should be followed by payment of full back wages. It is not the case of the respondents that the termination order has not been set aside by this court. It is also not the case of the respondents that the petitioners have been gainfully employed during the period that they remained out of service due to termination order which has ultimately been set aside. Therefore, the respondents are directed to give arrears of salary as are due to the petitioner after termination order is set aside by this court. The back wages of the petitioners in compliance of the orders passed by this court in writ jurisdiction shall be paid to the petitioner within a period of 3 months. Least this matter after 3 months on 29/4/2019, by which date if all arrears of salary are not paid, then the managing director of UP Jal Nigam shall appear in person to assist this court. Thereafter, by order dated 1/4/2019, the High Court recorded that the respondents are prima facie guilty of willful and deliberate disobedience and directed their presence before the court on next date of hearing for framing charge. The respondents assailed the said order by way of SLP-C number 10774/2019. This court-wide order dated 7/5/2019 observed that after the decision in Civil Appeal number 11017/2018, the contempt petitions cannot be continued before the High Court and be deemed to have been withdrawn to this court. Liberty was granted to the petitioners to pursue other remedies as per law against the impugned orders. The fresh termination order dated 2/3/2020 came to be passed pursuant to the liberty given by this court, leading to filing of the present petitions. The background facts are that there were several lapses by few officials of the respondent corporation and Messrs. Aptec Private Limited, the testing agency, in relation to the selection process for filing up 122 posts of assistant engineers (113 civil, 5 electrical/mechanical and 4 electrical and electronics and communication/computer science that as per the agreement between the respondent corporation and the testing agency was required to display the answer key for 3 days and to take remedial action on the objections received. Further, the testing agency was also required to retain the data pertaining to the examination for at least 1 year. The testing agency breached the aforesaid conditions and interviews were conducted without confirming if the answer key was uploaded or not. The interviews of 34158 candidates were conducted in tearing haste on 30/12/2016 and 31/12/2016, and the final result was released on 3/1/2017, and the appointments were made on the same day, that is 3/1/2017. Since non-uploading of the answer key had deprived the candidates of the opportunity to file objections, the unsuccessful candidates approached the High Court alleging that the recruitment process was not transparent and was replete with several illegalities and irregularities. Full stop. Over.